latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has led the world to a possible lookout for achieving herd immunity. Some experts believe that the pandemic could end if herd immunity is achieved. However, the World Health Organization has said that the world is nowhere close to achieving herd immunity at this point in time. WHO said the global immunity to COVID-19 is nowhere close to levels needed to contain the pandemic. WHO asserted that the planet is nowhere near the amount of coronavirus immunity needed to induce herd immunity. The world population is yet to reach a situation to have enough antibodies to contain the spread of the virus. WHO's Emergencies Director Mike Ryan said the world should not live in hope of achieving herd immunity.
As a global population, we are nowhere close to the levels of immunity required to stop this disease transmitting. This is not a solution and not a solution we should be looking to. Most studies conducted to date have suggested only about 10% to 20% of people have antibodies. We need to focus on what we can acutely do now to suppress transmission and not live in hope of herd immunity being our salvation.
Mike Ryan said one way to develop protection from coronavirus is to survive it or be exposed to it. This in turn will help a person develop antibodies against the virus. Research has further indicated that only 10% of the global population has antibodies. Even if the presence of COVID-19 antibodies meant you were shielded against the coronavirus, research indicates only about 10% of the global population has these antibodies. That means that a large proportion of the population remains susceptible to infection, and that means the virus has an opportunity to spread. In other words, the world is far from developing herd immunity via antibodies. WHO said even a vaccine cannot protect everyone from getting the virus. Establishing herd immunity through vaccination requires more people to get vaccinated. Dr. Bruce Alibert from the World Health Organization says even if governments want to achieve it, there needs to be a plan for high levels of herd immunity.
In a situation like this, where we lock down half the world's population, where the economy has ground to a halt in so many places, you have to plan for very high levels of herd immunity because we don't want to take chances, we don't want to be wrong.
WHO said governments should not believe that waiting till herd immunity kicks in is the only solution. The solution is implementing already known to be effective strategies. Testing, contact tracing, isolating, mask wearing, and physical distancing are basic protocols to contain the spread of the virus.